What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's episode we're going to be running the Thunder Tiger DT10.15. Everything on it is completely stock, except for I had to replace the beetle body that was with it because it was yellow and it was cracked with the FTX one, but as far as I can tell they're exactly the same. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to start it up and I'll put us back on once it's going. Stay tuned for the run.
Well, that do guys, I'm almost out of fuel. It would be a great appreciation if you could like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you guys on the next one.